We've been chasing the open roads for a while now, but this one feels different. We're heading north into Sweden, where the plan is to have no plan, no campsites. For the next few days, we're going to try and live completely off-grid. Camp where we stop and cook what we carry. And almost immediately, we found it. A quiet spot by the water, tucked between the trees.
Welcome to Sweden!
So we set up camp and got to work right away. Finally. And there's the rain. So we could start all over again.
Okay, or is this a survival meal? Pasta from yesterday with linsen and tomato sauce.
I'm honestly lucky to have such a talented chef out here. We drove through the forest, looking for our next camp. In Sweden, you don't have to go far. There are so many amazing spots, it almost feels endless. Just trees, lakes, and the freedom to stop wherever it feels right.
New spot.
I'm checking Louis for ticks because there are a lot of them here and we treat him every month, but still we find them.
Huh?
Maybe this is where the...
Yesterday you found two?
Yeah, two of them. The day before.
Oh.
So yeah, we have to keep an eye on it.
Yeah, we have to check
We
it.
treat him every month, but still... Even though summer is officially here, the rain is also still here.
Yeah, sorry.
Time to head inside for a cup of tea and a bit of chill time. Just us, the sound of the rain, and nowhere else to be. The rain came and went, but every now and then the clouds would part, just long enough to let in a bit of sun, and sometimes a rainbow. We woke up to blue skies and sunshine. Looks like Swedish summer is here, for real this time. It was not really our plan to go to Sweden. It was our plan to go to Scandinavia, but more to Norway and North Cape. But our plans change a lot. And now we're waiting for a package. It will arrive in Stockholm. So we're just chilling here and waiting for a few days.
Yes, and I think there's no better place for waiting than Sweden.
Yeah.
Because here you have the Allemanratten. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but it means that you can use the public land also to camp. And there are a few rules. Don't litter the place, of course.
Yeah.
Don't stay near people their property and house. I think 150 meter.
Which is still quite close.
Yes, what is still quite close. And don't stay longer than 2 nights. That's a little bit the thing, because you cannot stay for months here and just live here. But it's beautiful. So we parked the car here and we're enjoying the nice weather, but it's changing a bit now.
The wind is picking up.
Yes. So later today we're going to make pizza, make campfire, do some editing, relax, right? Live the good life.
Yes.
All right.
Let's go find Louis. He
Let's
escaped.
go. Yes, and pick up some wood.
Okay.
No pizza tonight.
No pizza?
No pizza. Adventure soup.
Yeah, a little bit lighter. We had too many cookies today.
And easier. Adventure soup.
Oh. I hope it tastes better than it looks. Oh, in the water bowl. See? Deze. Sorry, Louis. Hey, Louis! Wait. Yeah.
It's amazing.
Oh, it's not bad, but really spicy.
It didn't taste better than it looked.
dreamed I saw you dancing at the end of the world. The storm was on the horizon. Patiently you stared down the sea. I dreamed I heard you singing, the sound of painted noise, shattered hues and a blood-red moon crashing into the blue. Don't let a day go by. Don't let a day go by. I see it in your eyes. Don't let a day go by. There's a wild wind blowing.
After 2 weeks in Sweden, we got the news. The package wasn't coming. At first, it felt like a setback, but maybe it was exactly what we needed. A reason to slow down, to stop chasing and just sit by the lake and breathe. Sweden is made for this. Space, silence, still water. If you ever need to pause, really pause, this is the place. Next up, we're taking Louis on a road trip through Norway, driving all the way from the south to the North Cape.